Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and half the world is gone. Every father, brother, son, friend, every man has vanished overnight. The streets are silent, the world feels empty, and no one knows why. Planes without pilots fall from the sky. Entire governments lose leaders in a single breath, and families are torn apart. Stop. Don't picture this on the screen. Close your eyes for a second, because I want you to imagine this in your mind. A world where all men disappeared overnight. At first, the shock would be unbearable. Hospitals would suddenly lose doctors and paramedics. Fire stations would be half empty. Even sports stadiums, once full of cheers, would stand abandoned. The global economy would shake. Entire industries where men make up the majority, construction, transport, mining, even parts of the military, would collapse instantly. Supply chains would break like fragile glass. But beyond the chaos, something else would unfold. Communities of women would come together, not out of choice, but out of survival. Friendships would strengthen, leadership would shift, and a new kind of society would begin to form. Yet deep inside, grief would linger. Entire families would have an unfillable void. Sons who never grew up, fathers who never came back, husbands who disappeared in the night. Love, laughter, and balance, gone with no explanation. Science would scramble for answers. Was it a genetic collapse, a mysterious disease, or something we cannot yet comprehend, an event beyond nature itself? So here's the real question. Would humanity rebuild stronger, or would the world slowly fall apart without men? The truth is, no one knows. But imagining it reminds us just how fragile and how connected we really are. If this story made you wonder, if it made you pause and picture the unthinkable, then stay curious. Because more strange what-if worlds are waiting for you. Subscribe and let's imagine them together.